Hi everyone, I want to show you today setting up VPC Flow Logs for network monitoring. In this lab you will learn how to set up VPC Flow Logs to capture, monitor and analyze network traffic in your AWS VPC. VPC Flow Logs help you track traffic going in and out of network interfaces and can be critical for troubleshooting, compliance and security. First step, login into your AWS Management Console. Then navigate to the VPC dashboard. In the AWS console, type VPC in the search bar and select VPC from the results. You will redirect it to the VPC dashboard where you can manage your VPC resources. Now click your resources, VPCs, select the VPC which you want to enable which VPC flow logs. I will select here my VPC. You can either select an existing VPC or create a new one if needed. Then with your VPC selected, go to the Actions drop-down menu and click Create Flow Logs. Yes, Action. In the Create Flow Log window, type name. For example, my flow log, tag name. Here is the filters. All this mean capture all traffic, reject, capture only rejected traffic, accept, capture only accepted traffic. I will select all. Time I will left by default. We should choose here destination, choose where to send your flow logs. You have two options. Send to CloudWatch Logs, will be stored in CloudWatch. Send to S3 bucket logs, will be stored in an S3 bucket. I will choose CloudWatch Logs. For IAM role, either select an existing role or create a new one that allows VPC flow logs to write to CloudWatch or S3. Here is that we should create destination log group and IAM role. First, we will create IAM role. As you've seen, nothing listed here. I am refresh it. Also here another roles, default roles. We should create new role. If you choose a CloudWatch as your destination in step 4, in the CloudWatch log group, first we should create a IAM role. We will choose AWS services and we will type CloudWatch. Here is the two CloudWatch events and CloudWatch Internet Monitoring. Next, and next. I will not edit anything. Create rule. I will create second role. Also AWS services, CloudWatch events. And next, Next. Role name, VPC Flow Log. Create role. Sorry. VPC Flow Logs and create role. Our roles is ready. Firstly, we should refresh. Now we can choose new role, VPC Flow Log. Now we need set up CloudWatch Logs as a destination. If you choose CloudWatch as your destination, in the CloudWatch group dropdown, we should go to the CloudWatch log groups. Sorry. We should go set up CloudWatch Logs as destination. Go to the CloudWatch page, select logs, send log groups, and create new log group. Give name VPC Flow Logs group, VPC Flow Logs group, and left another sections by default. You can choose here expire time 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, but I choose never expire. Log class is standard and create flow log. As you see here is our flow log group is ready. You should refresh, reload, listing, and choose flow log group and create flow log. Okay. Now we should verify flow logs. Once the flow log is created, you can verify that it's capturing network traffic. If using CloudWatch, go to CloudWatch Logs from the AWS console and check the log group you created. As you see here, you should see logs of network traffic being stored. If you did any actions on your EC2 instance and generated any traffic, if you didn't anything, you will not see any data here as mine. No any data, that's why I didn't run any server or EC2 instance and not generated any traffic for flow logs. You can check here log streams, anomaly detection, metrics, and so on. As a last step, analyze flow logs. Now that your VPC flow logs are collecting data, you can analyze them for different use cases. Troubleshooting connectivity issues, review the logs to see if traffic is being accepted or rejected. Security auditing, check for unusual traffic patterns or unauthorized access attempts. Compliance, ensure that the traffic flowing in and out of your VPC complies with your company policies. Last step, we go configure filters in CloudWatch Logs. Go to CloudWatch Logs Insights under CloudWatch. Run queries to filter and analyze traffic such as viewing rejected connections or checking traffic for specific ports. Sample query. Run query, we should choose flow logs group and send run query. We have no any data, that's why no showing anything. Now, finally, clean app. If you are done with the lab and no longer need the VPC flow logs, navigate back to the VPC dashboard. Select the VPC where the flow log was created. Go to the flow logs and click on the delete flow log option if you want to remove it. Select flow logs. Yes, and delete it. Congratulations, you have successfully set up VPC flow logs for monitoring your AWS network traffic. You can now analyze network flow to improve security, troubleshoot issues, and ensure compliance. Have a nice day.